Understanding the role of an event coordinator. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic. Understanding the job title, event coordinator. This phrase is common in professional settings, and we'll explore its meaning, responsibilities, and some key language related to this role. So, let's get started. Event coordinator is a compound noun made up of two words, event and coordinator. Let's break it down. Event. An event is an organized occasion such as a party, a conference, or a festival. It's a planned social or public activity. Coordinator. This term refers to a person who organizes and harmonizes various activities or aspects of something. So, an event coordinator is a professional who plans and organizes events. The role of an event coordinator is diverse and dynamic. They are responsible for planning. This includes deciding the event's theme, venue, time, and budget. Organizing. Coordinating with various vendors, like caterers and decorators, is key. Problem solving. They must be ready to handle any unexpected challenges that arise during events. An event coordinator ensures that everything runs smoothly from start to finish. To be successful, an event coordinator needs several key skills. Communication. They must communicate effectively with clients, vendors, and team members. Attention to detail. Every small aspect of the event must be carefully managed. Creativity. Coming up with innovative ideas for events is crucial. These skills help in organizing successful events that leave a lasting impression. Here are some common phrases and vocabulary related to event coordination. Venue selection, choosing the location for the event. Vendor management, handling relationships with suppliers. Client briefing, meeting with clients to understand their requirements. Understanding these terms will help you grasp the intricacies of event coordination. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what an event coordinator is and what they do. This role is essential in ensuring events are memorable and well organized. If you're interested in this field, remember the key skills and terms we discussed today. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.